Hey guys, it's Amber. So today I have a really fun video. I have a little care package from Move Beyond. They are a sustainable activewear company and they reached out to me and asked if I wanted to review their stuff, and I said yes. So I was really excited to try out their stuff because they had a little bit more different approach than a lot of activewear companies do, and I've tried a lot of activewear, so I was excited to put this to the test, review it, work out in it, see what I think, see what my thoughts are. But before I show you the pieces, I want to share a little bit about what Move Beyond does. So what makes Move Beyond different than other activewear companies is, although there's nylon and polyester in their activewear, they added a fabric called modal. I think that's how you say it, because apparently it's more low impact on the environment and it's supposed to be really soft. Modal is plant derived. It's extracted from the pulp of beech trees and it is 100% biodegradable, and they say it lasts longer than other fabrics, so no creasing, no pilling, no shrinking. It's supposed to be very flexible, have shape retention. It's supposed to feel silky smooth like wearing nothing. So it's also supposed to be breathable, which is super important when you're working out, and 50% more water absorbent than cotton. So they also use eco-friendly dyes, so it's lower impact on the environment. In the making of their activewear, they use less chemicals, and they say they use 10 to 20 times less water in the production of their product. And they also don't use any plastic in the packaging. So when I received my box, it's in a recyclable box with paper. There's not a lot of like fluff or anything. And then I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. They have all recyclable paper tags, which I think is really cool. So something a little different than I would expect from a normal activewear company. I think this would appeal to a lot of different markets than maybe other activewear would, but I feel like if it works good, it's going to appeal to consumers who may not be as concerned about the environment, but they just want really good workout stuff. So let's take a look. So I'm going to pull these out in colored sets. So let's see. First, I have the High Rise Run Short. This is for hot, intense sweat sessions. So some of these they sent me a medium, some of them they sent me a small. So this one is in a medium. This is in their pink color. So this is what the shorts look like. And then they sent me a matching bra. This is called the Vest with Cross Straps. And this one's super cute. It doesn't appear to have any like cups in it, but it does have a really cute like crisscross back. So I'll be trying all these on and giving you guys a review on how they were when I worked out in them. Let's see. This is looks like a black legging. Yeah, this is a high-rise legging in black. And let's see. I got a black strappy bra. That's so super cute. I mean, this would literally go with anything. And so yeah. Let's see. Purple. So this is the H vest. That's what that looks like. And let's see if there's anything purple to go with it. Yep, there is another little short right here. So that's their purple color, which is really pretty. Ooh, this blue is so pretty. Or is this a gray? Can't quite tell. I think it's kind of I think it's like a gray blue. Yeah, it's a blue. It looks more blue on camera. Again, with the strappy crisscross bra. And let's see if these are pants or leggings. They sent medium, so I hope that they fit. So we shall see. This one is a medium, this one's a medium. This one, oh, this one's like an actual like bra. So this is in like a lighter blue color. This one does have like actual cup pads in it. This one doesn't say any information about it, but it looks like maybe a little bit more high impact bra. And let's see what else is in here. Ooh, this is fun. This is like a little peach color. So this looks like a little crop. That's really cute. In the gray. Oh, that's super cute. This is like one of those little twist tie crops. Ooh, this is kind of like really light and breathable too. That will be nice. Gray little short to go with that. And the last thing is a little tee. Oh, this will be so cute with the black outfit. And this is the short sleeve front cross. Oh, so this is another little cross tee. Last but not least is another one of the H front bras in gray. So holy cow, they sent me so much stuff. I am just like shocked. It'll be really nice to try on both sizes of the small and medium so I can compare and show you guys how the fit is different. So I'm super excited. I don't know which one I'm gonna want to wear tomorrow. So I'm gonna work out in these in the next few weeks, show you kind of a shot of me working out in them when I'm all finished, and give you kind of a roundup of my thoughts on how they performed. And yeah, so let's get to working out. All right, guys, it's been a while since I've had my Move Beyond gear. You can tell my hair is back to blonde, so it's been a hot minute, but I've had a chance to really wear these pieces several times, to work out in them, to wash them, and just get a really good feeling on how these things perform. And I've been really, really happy. I would say everything has washed up so nice. I haven't gotten any, like, you know, sometimes things will look cute, but then you wash them and they'll get like the raveled seams and things like that. Like, these have washed up really good. They're really durable. And I have had no complaints as far as the quality goes or anything like that. So everything has washed up really nice. So I'm just gonna hit on a couple of things, what my favorites were, what are some things that I might improve or love to see from them in the future. So the first thing I have to say is these strappy back bras or tops. These are just adorable. I mean, I reach for these all the time because they're just so cute. It's nice that they don't have a set-in pad because you're gonna have to fuss with that in the washer and like straighten it out and everything. And the compression on them is pretty good. I would say that if you want a more compressive fit, then I would just stick with the size that you normally are. Or if you want more of like a yoga, a little more breathable fit, then I would just size up. So the sizing is pretty flexible because they are stretchy. I'm glad that I got to try the small and the medium because I could see kind of how the fit would be different. To me, it fits like a half size smaller. And that might just be that's a little more compressive, but it's super stretchy, so it's forgiving. So just kind of keep that in mind when you're looking for sizes. It just kind of depends what kind of fit you're looking for. So I also really liked this bra right here. This they actually don't currently have on their website, but I would say bring this bra back. This is awesome. It's kind of a hybrid regular bra slash sports bra. So it has the bra clasp. This does have pads in there that are removable. To me, this is kind of the best of both worlds because it kind of fits like a regular bra, but the comfort of like a more of a sports bra. It's nice because I feel like I can wear it for working out or just like on the daily because it's still supportive, gives you a little more shape. This one with the cups definitely gives you a little bit more coverage. So if you're somebody who needs a little bit more coverage with the bra pads, if I ever feel like I'm needing a little more coverage in these kinds, I'll just slip one of those extra little bra cups I've got hanging around. I got a million of them. I'll slip one in, and because they're tighter, it'll just stay in place. So that is an option as well. I really, really like the leggings. I feel like I was nervous to order the leggings because I thought with summer that they would be kind of like hot and kind of, you know how like sometimes when you work out in really thick leggings, it just kind of makes you feel like you're cooking. These are so breathable that even the leggings like are so like, the material is like, I don't want to say thin because it's very nice, like well-made material, but it's so like silky smooth and like flexible that it's breathable and it feels like you're just like wearing air. Like it doesn't feel thick and heavy and like compressive, like it's just like too tight and uncomfortable. It's a hard, I don't know exactly how to describe it, but it is super breathable. That I ended up wearing the pants more than I thought that I would, even though it's getting warm out, because they're just so lightweight. And I felt like they were very comfortable and I didn't get any of that restriction like behind the knee where sometimes the fabric will start to bunch up or anything like that. I didn't have any issues with them like falling down repeatedly. The smalls were a little more snug than the mediums. So the mediums I would wear more for like yoga and bar, versus if I was running, I would probably go for the smalls just because they do feel a little bit tighter. My favorite color was probably the blue. This is such a gorgeous color, blue, and the purple. I love both of those. I really love the pink. I think it's a really cute shade of pink. It's just not super flattering on me because it's so close to my skin tone. And so I feel like this is for you olive and chocolate skin girls. This would look amazing on you. So I was a little nervous because I filmed some video clips and I was like, does it look like I'm wearing pants? Because it kind of looks like I'm not wearing pants. But that's just because I have a pink rosy skin tone and these are kind of a pink rosy skin tone. But I love like the look of them. And so when I'm working out at home, it doesn't really matter. But just FYI, I think if you've got deeper skin, these would be amazing, or super pale skin would also look really amazing in this color. As far as the shorts go, I really like the shorts. It definitely has one of the thicker bands like this. All this material on this top part is all double lined, so it gives you that thickness to kind of help hold you in, which I really like. Sometimes I've gotten leggings where they just have like the little band here and the rest of it is just the thinner material, and so then it kind of lets everything kind of hang out, where this has that thickness all the way through the top, so it just kind of like sucks you in and it makes everything nice and smooth, which I really like. So I didn't get any weird like lumpy bumpies, and they're super high-waisted, so high-waisted, love that. This short is probably a little shorter than my preference for my body type. I do have hip dips, and so this kind of hits me on that thickest part of my thigh. So for me, it's not the ideal length, but I'm also really tall. I'm 5'10". So if you are, you know, a more standard height, this is probably going to be the perfect length for you. So if there's anything that I would suggest, is just make these same shorts and make them like 3 to 4 inches longer and offer like a Bermuda style, like something in between. I would love that. If that would be literally my ideal short, if these were just a teensy bit longer. But for those of you who like a shorter short that's not like a complete booty short, this is a perfect length where you still get that coverage. It's not going to be riding up in your booty where you're like squatting and you're worried that it's going to be like too much showing, but you like a shorter short, this is going to be the perfect length. I also did some squat testing in them. Didn't have any issues with anything showing through, so that was really nice, because sometimes you worry about that with like thinner material. And the little crop tops are very cute. I don't always prefer to wear like sleeves when I'm doing a really sweaty type workout, so for me this would be something that I would wear for more yoga or bar or something like that. This is also super cute if you like to work out in a sports bra to throw over when you're like running to the gym and then you're like, oh, I gotta go to the store afterwards. This is just a little cute little set. Also in spring and fall where you do want a little more coverage, these are just cute. They're matching. I love how flattering they look on. I like the crisscross detailing. They also sent me another crop top that is not in their online store currently. That is also super cute, and it was more fitted. I really liked that as well. So honestly, the only other suggestion I would have is I would love to see some pockets. They do have pockets on the back, so like if you're running, you can put your key in here. But as far as like a side pocket, I don't need one on both sides. I'd like me a little pocket on the side when I'm running, when I'm biking, because I don't like to do the whole armband thing with my phone. That honestly would be my only suggestion besides making a different variety of lengths. I would love to see a pocket. I've got tons and tons of leggings that don't have pockets. I know a lot of the major brands, you know, have tons of styles without pockets, so it's not a deal breaker for me. But if I got to choose, I would say add some pockets or add a style with some pockets so people can have a choice either way. I do appreciate that they don't have a ton of styles because it does make their activewear a little bit more sustainable. And I think it's just like good classic pieces to own, and you're not always like looking for the next launch or something. It's not creating that like fast fashion hype, which I know a lot of people are concerned about. So if you want something that's going to just be like a classic piece you can use over and over and over, this is going to be a great choice to make. I do find myself, because these are just such neutral classic pieces, I find myself mixing them in with other things that I have. And like I said, I reach for the sports bras, especially the black one, all the time. Like, it's just a staple. I'm like, oh, what bra do I need? I need the black one. If you guys are interested in trying Move Beyond, I do have a 10% coupon code, which is Amber10. I'll put it right here so you guys can snag yourself 10% off. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video so much. I really enjoyed being able to review all these pieces. You guys follow me on my Instagram, which is biceps.and.beauty. You'll know that I post a ton of workout content. I've actually been doing a 30-day challenge, all focusing on glute building and lower body, a little bit of arms in there, a little bit of hit in there, kind of give you a little well-rounded, but mostly focusing on lower body. That's been really fun, so I'm just finishing that up. But I have that saved in my stories, so if you guys want free workouts you can do or workout ideas, I have that all up there already. Anyway, that's all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!